What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are gonna talk about how to get premium version of any app. So subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video if you are interested in ethical hacking. So let's get started. The first step is open your Google and search AC Market. After typing AC Market, click on first link. Now this type of interface will become download for Android. Now tap on AC Market APK link 1. Now it automatically start downloading the file. Wait until it's downloading. Now go to file manager and go apps APKs. Now install AC Market. Wait a few seconds. Now open it. Okay, allow. Now go to search section and search TRUECALLER. Now tap on TRUECALLER. You can see there is an option called Mode is equal to Premium. Now install it. Now search again PICSART. Scroll down. Now tap on PICSART. You can also see there is option called Mode Unlocked. Meaning we have premium version of this. Now again download it. Now search Sony Live. Boom. We have also premium version of this app. Now tap on download. It's downloading. Now again back. Now search Spotify. Now search. Don't worry guys, this is a error. We will fix it right now. So back it. So now again type SPO. Now scroll down until you found it. Now tap on. Boom. We have also its mode. Now tap on download. It's downloading. Okay, go to setting and allow apps from this source. Now app will be downloaded without any problem. So now we will search KINEMASTer. We have also its mode unlocked. Now go to file manager. Again go to downloads and now download the app which we are downloaded from AC Market. Now install it. Wait until it's open. You can see we have its premium mode on. So just to watch video. I show you this is not a fake. So wait. You can see we have glitch effect without any problem. So you can see you have this awesome feature. I show you another proof. This is premium. So you can see there is a premium logo down here. You can see. I just zoom it and done. You can see this is 100% original. Now we will check TRUECALLER. So let's open TRUECALLER and go to premium section. Boom. You can see I have premium membership. Unlock. Contact is locked. Unlock. Everything unlock. TRUECALLER Gold is activated. You can see. Now it's time for KINEMASTer. So wait. No. This is I create a raw file. So you can see there is no watermark. So this is also original. So this is for today. Like the video and subscribe our channel if you are interested in ethical hacking. You can join our Discord also until you watch our previous video. See you guys in next one.